Man stabbed to death in altercation over a female. St. Anne man seen in viral video charged for assault. Farmer dies in mysterious house fire in St. Bess. Residents suspect arson. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. An unidentified male was stabbed and killed on Manchester Road, Mandeville, in the parish on Saturday, July 8. The body is of dark complexion, slim built, and about 183 centimeters or 6 feet tall. The body was clad in a yellow t-shirt, blue jeans pants, and a pair of white slippers. Reports from the Mandeville police are that about 7:30 a.m., the unidentified male and another man got into an argument that became physical. After the altercation, both men were seen with stab wounds. They were assisted to the hospital, where one man was pronounced dead and the other in critical condition. The police were alerted and an investigation was launched. Sources from the area reported that the altercation was over a female. Anyone with information that can assist in the investigation is being asked to contact the Mandeville Police at 876-961-5538 or 5539. Crime Stop at 311 or the nearest police station. A St. Anne man was arrested and charged after a video showing him assaulting a woman on Wednesday. Gary Grant, 43 of a Brownstown address, was charged with assault occasioning bodily harm. According to reports, Mr. Grant attended a graduation for his son that he shared with the woman. During the ceremony, the child was given awards for academic excellence. Mr. Grant requested to see the awards from the mother when an argument developed. He slapped the woman in the face and kicked her in the stomach. A report was made and he was taken to the Brownstown police station where he was charged and given bail with surety. He is scheduled to attend court in September. The St. Elizabeth police are carrying out investigations to determine the origin of a house fire which left a farmer dead in Bartons in the parish on Saturday. Residents of the community have, however, theorized that the fire was deliberately set and that the farmer may have been killed after he reportedly saw someone breaking into his neighbor's house earlier and raised an alarm. The deceased is 49-year-old Everett Medley of Bartons in the parish. Reports are that about 1:30 a.m., one of Medley's relatives saw fire coming from his one-bedroom house and raised an alarm. Firefighters responded to the scene, and during the cooling down operations, Medley's charred remains were found. While investigations are ongoing by the fire department, residents have postulated that the fire was likely to have resulted from an act of arson. Medley, according to residents, reportedly left the candlelight and saw the intruder entering his neighbor's house and raised an alarm. Residents believe that the farmer may have known the alleged housebreaker. Shortly after Medley returned to his own house, fire was seen coming from the one-bedroom structure, leaving residents of the area to surmise that the housebreaker may have been responsible for setting the blaze. The St. Elizabeth police are probing the overall developments.